Hi, it's Jenny with a butterfly card using the Fluttering By stamp set by Sunshine and Bee Designs. I will link to all the products I used in the description area below, as well as a blog post for this card. I want to get better at my Copic colouring this year, so I'm trying to use these markers more often. I picked 2 of the butterflies and the sentiment, fluttering by to say and thank you, and stamped with Memento ink since I'm using Neenah Solar White card. That green stamp cleaner is the new stamp scrubber by Picket Fence Studios. I've been using this over the last week and I love how easy it is to clean my stamps. A couple sprays of water and it cleans ink off your stamps very easily. I decided to use lighter colours for the butterflies. The top one is in B000, B00 and B02. I'm starting with the lightest colour and flicking from the body to the tips of the wings, then using the mid-tone colour and adding the darker colour closer to the body, then using the mid-tone and the lightest colour to finish the wing. Each wing is coloured separately, with a darker colour at the base of the wings. I use the same colour combo for the outer tips of the wings. We have a new Pinterest board for each of the Sunshine and Bee design stamps. I'll add a link in the description area below so you can find some more inspiration for all our stamps. There's also inspiration over on our Facebook group and on the blog too. All the social media links will be below. The pink butterfly is coloured the same, with a darker colour, RV13 at the base of the wings, where they meet the body. The mid-tone is RV11, and the lightest colour is RV00. I used BG11 and BG15 for the rest of the blue butterfly, and RV24 and RV22 for the pink butterfly's body. I trimmed this card down to leave a border, but trimmed more off the bottom of the card. I coloured a strip of card with B02 and adhered this to the base of my butterfly panel, then mounted this onto a card base. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a comment, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to see more videos. I'll see you next time. Bye!